As you can see in this existing Canvas course, a new section has been created for 6 students who have received incompletes, indicated by the INC suffix. The students in the INC section will still be in the same Canvas course they were in during the semester, so instructors will not need to move any content between Canvas courses. The only change that instructors will need to make will be assigning a quiz or assignment to the incomplete students separately from the rest of the class. To do this, instructors will select the section or individual students and give different due, available, and until dates. Each student is able to have a fairly customizable experience within the INC shell to serve their unique needs when resolving an incomplete.